In 2023, some Verizon customers experienced 5G connectivity issues on their iPhones after certain iOS updates, primarily iOS 16.1 and 16.5. These updates altered SIM card configurations, preventing proper 5G authentication, especially on Verizon's N41 band. As a result, devices would drop to LTE, showing error messages like 5G unavailable. This issue has been largely resolved through carrier settings updates and iOS patches, but understanding the cause is key. The problem stemmed from a mismatch between carrier settings and iOS updates. Carrier settings are firmware updates from Verizon that configure how your phone connects to the network. iOS updates introduce changes that can modify phone behavior in unexpected ways. When these two systems don't align properly, it creates a clash. These settings tell your phone how to connect to Verizon's specific 5G bands. The iOS update interfered with the SIM card's ability to properly authenticate on the 5G network. This forced a fallback to older LTE technology. Think of it as two different languages not quite understanding each other. Let's break down the critical components. The SIM card stores your Verizon profile and is essential for authentication. Verizon uses specific 5G bands like N41, which is sub-6 GHz, and N260, which is M-mean wave. Both Apple and Verizon use over-the-air updates, but timing differences can create problems. The SIM card needs to authenticate correctly on the right bands, and conflicting updates can disrupt this process. 5G uses dynamic spectrum sharing and network slicing that require SIM cards to authenticate with the carrier's core network. Verizon addressed the 5G connectivity issues by releasing a carrier settings update. Version 42.0, released in June 2023, restored proper 5G functionality for most affected users by fixing the SIM card authentication protocols. Apple followed up with iOS 16.5.1 in July 2023, which included additional software fixes to ensure stable communication between iPhones and Verizon's 5G network infrastructure. These updates reestablished the proper communication protocols between iPhone hardware and Verizon's 5G network. To ensure you're protected, always keep your iPhone running the latest iOS version and verify your carrier settings are current. Go to Settings, then General, then About to check for and install any available updates. This simple step helps maintain optimal 5G connectivity on Verizon's network. The 2023 Verizon iOS outage affected millions of users, causing significant connectivity problems. Reports showed users experiencing dramatic speed drops from high-speed 5G down to much slower LTE speeds, severely impacting activities like streaming and remote work. A 2024 recurrence occurred with iOS 17.2 on Verizon's 5G home internet devices. Firmware mismatches between the iOS update and Verizon's equipment caused brief but disruptive outages, particularly in suburban areas where these devices are commonly used. These connectivity issues led to real-world consequences, including productivity losses for remote workers and businesses, as well as temporary switches to alternative carriers by frustrated customers seeking reliable service. This incident reflects broader trends in 5G adoption. As 5G networks evolve towards 6G, expect more frequent compatibility issues due to diverse device ecosystems like Android versus iOS and carrier-specific optimizations. The evolution from 4G to 5G introduced virtualization and network slicing, and 6G will bring even more advanced features requiring better integration. Compatibility issues arise from diverse device ecosystems. Android has dominated the market with over 70% share, while iOS maintains a strong presence around 30%. We'll see an increased reliance on software updates, including carrier settings updates, iOS patches, and over-the-air mechanisms to fix these issues. There's a greater need for standardized protocols to ensure seamless integration between hardware and software. This includes unified carrier settings APIs and 3GPP standards. Keep an eye out for regulatory pushes for unified carrier settings APIs, which will help prevent future connectivity issues. Telecom experts emphasize that such issues are inevitable in a maturing 5G ecosystem. Gartner analysts point out the risks of siloed development and the need for cross-vendor testing. The FCC is pushing for unified carrier settings APIs. Statistics show that software-related 5G outages are decreasing thanks to better collaboration. These insights stress proactive user education on updates. To minimize future 5G connectivity issues, always keep your iOS and carrier settings updated. Carrier settings are firmware updates from Verizon that configure your device's network connections, while iOS updates fix compatibility problems. Be aware of potential connectivity problems following major iOS updates, such as those that modify SIM card configurations. Check Verizon's support site or app for known issues after updating. If you experience 5G connectivity problems, contact Verizon support or Apple support immediately. They can provide personalized troubleshooting and push specific carrier settings updates to your device. Remember to check online forums like Reddit or Apple support communities for user-reported solutions. Communities often share workarounds faster than official channels during widespread issues. By staying informed about 5G developments and being proactive with updates, you can ensure a smoother 5G experience. Follow Verizon's news and Apple's update notes to stay ahead of potential issues.